Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to enable the new Filter All Messages feature on Discord for PC. This update is perfect for filtering out unwanted direct messages and enhancing your overall Discord experience. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your PC. If you haven't already, log into your account to access your settings. Next, look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. This is your gateway to personalizing your Discord experience. Give it a click. Now that you're in the User Settings menu, scroll down on the left sidebar until you see Privacy and Safety. Click on that option, and you'll find a variety of settings related to your account's privacy. Within the Privacy and Safety section, you will notice several options for managing your direct messages. Look for the option that says Filter All Direct Messages. This is the feature you want to enable. Once you find it, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. That's it. With this new filter activated, you'll have a smoother experience on Discord, as it will automatically filter out potentially harmful or unwanted DMs. If you ever want to adjust your settings, you can return to the same menu and toggle it off at any time. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and tips on your favorite apps.